Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through Rinnai Tankless Water Heater beeping, causes and how to fix. Why Rinnai Tankless Water Heater beeping? The beeping from a Rinnai Tankless Water Heater is a form of communication indicating various operational states or issues. Common reasons for beeping include error codes. The heater may display an error code like code 10, often related to exhaust or air supply issues. Consulting the user manual or looking up the error code can help diagnose the problem. Overheating. Overheating is another common cause of tankless water heater beeping. If the water heater detects excessive temperatures, it may activate a safety feature that triggers the beeping and shuts down the unit. Maintenance reminders. Intermittent beeps may indicate the need for routine maintenance, like cleaning the inline filter. Malfunctioning components. Persistent beeping could signal a problem with the flow sensor or other faulty parts that are preventing the heater from functioning properly. How to fix Rinnai Tankless Water Heater beeping. 1. Check for error codes. Locate the error code displayed on your Rinnai water heater. This is usually a digital display that shows a number or code. Refer to your Rinnai owner's manual or the manufacturer's website to look up the meaning of the error code. This will give you a clue as to what the problem is. 2. Inspect the gas supply. Make sure the gas supply to the water heater is turned on and that the gas line is not blocked or restricted. Ensure the gas pressure is within the range of natural gas, 5.0-inch WC, and propane, 8.0-inch WC. 3. Examine the ignition components. Inspect the igniter and flame rod to see if they are dirty or damaged. Clean them or replace them if necessary. Verify that the igniter is sparking properly to ignite the gas burner. 4. Check the exhaust and air supply. Ensure the exhaust vent and air intake are not blocked or obstructed. Make sure the condensate trap is installed correctly and not clogged. 5. Clean or replace the flow sensor. If no error code is displayed, the issue may be with the flow sensor. Try cleaning the flow sensor or replacing it if it's malfunctioning. 6. Call a Rinnai technician. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and the issue persists, it's best to call a certified Rinnai technician. They have the expertise to diagnose and repair the problem properly. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the inline filter, can also help prevent future issues with your Rinnai tankless water heater. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.